Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Good. Do you speak English? A little. Are you American? No. Indian. Do you speak English? A little, but not very well. How long have you been here? 3 months. What do you do for work? I'm a student. How about you? I'm also a student. May I introduce Mr. Miller? Sure. He is a foreigner. He speaks several languages. Are you here for the first time? No. I was here once last year. Only for a week, though. How do you like in here? A lot. The people are nice. And I like scenery too. What is your profession? I'm a translator. I translate books. Are you alone here? No. My wife or my husband is also here. And those are my 2 children. Do you smoke? I used to. But I don't smoke anymore. Does it disturb you if I smoke? No, absolutely not. It doesn't disturb me. Will you drink something? A brandy? No. Preferable a beer. Do you travel a lot? Yes, mostly on business trips. But now we are on holiday. It's so hot. Yes, today is really hot. Let's go to the balcony. There's a party here tomorrow.